Alright guys, we're at here, where? Sunset Peak.
Sunset Peak, yeah.
We're heading out to Sunset Peak and we are now well, we're starting from Pak Kung Au.
Yeah.
Even though we missed our actual starting point. But we'll tell you the story later on.
Alright.
So I got Binod, my high school buddy.
Piss.
I got Phoebe right here. Alright. The hike gonna take what, like 2 hours up?
2 hours.
2 hours going up?
It's written there, but
I don't know.
For us,
we'll see.
Maybe
We'll see how it goes, exactly. Alright. The sail began. Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we are summiting to the Sunset Peak, which stays over 800 meter high and also third highest peak in Hong Kong. So sit back and enjoy the video. Let's go! What do I feel like? 36 minutes? What do I feel like already 30 minutes already?
Agree.
I can start I can feel the burn on my thighs already. Don't worry, you're gonna, I don't think you will say it after 2 hours later. Don't challenge me. And from this side, actually the stones is not that high. From the other side, you have to actually like climb up a little bit.
good foothold, eh?
Yeah. But that side is more shaded, so but it's good. The weather is it's a little bit hazy today, so it's not bad. But if it's sunny here, it's gonna be really hard. So you guys already hear me breathing heavily on the stairs, you know. The stairs are quite steep, but you don't have to rush. Just take your time, enjoy the view, enjoy the hike, and you guys will definitely make it. And also, I love hanging out with guys. Binod have done ABC base camp and PB have done EBC base camp in Nepal. You know, hearing their experience and their journey, what they have done in Nepal, it's definitely going to be on my bucket list in the future. Did you went to the same route or what?
Yeah, man.
No?
It's okay.
You guys went by yourself, right? Without any help?
Bro, come on, man.
So they just...
You go by yourself?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just get the map and itinerary, just talk, bro.
Like no porter, no nothing?
Bro, that's respect, man.
Wow.
How many porter, Vivi?
We have one group of 4 of us. We have one guide and one porter.
Okay.
So how much did you pay per day? Like 30 US?
Total trip is like 3,000 something US.
3,000. Okay, that's good.
Is that reasonable? I don't know the pricing.
For us, it's not, but for the tourists, it's okay, man, because
Yeah.
they have to pay all the tax, tourism tax.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Yes. And the flight and
Flight
the
as well.
accommodation, all this.
It's different.
But how you book your accommodation?
You just talk to people, you know?
They didn't book it ahead. They just went.
Yeah, talk
And then they found a place, right?
Yeah.
And they have a room. And what if they said they didn't have a room? Just tent it?
We got a home there, you know?
Oh, okay.
Homestay.
All right.
Wow.
Yeah.
Homestay? You mean on the top of the mountain? Are you kidding?
Yeah, take you the chicken, the fresh one.
So next time you want to go, like you have to go with these guys, yeah. You don't have to worry about the accommodation, but just to worry that you'll get lost most of the time.
You can ask for.
Really? You just went to EBC, right?
Yeah.
All the base camp or
Last
no?
year.
How about all the base camp?
Just the base camp.
Base camp? The EBC.
The
Okay.
first base camp.
Okay. That's good.
So I will know more about Nepal from you two guys, right?
No more, man. Sunset Peak, man.
But this is tough.
This is tough. You
I
sure?
want to run, you know?
Yeah, exactly. He's been keeping saying that he wants to run, he wants to challenge himself.
No, I'm okay. Don't worry.
He's basically saying we are too slow. I think this is the only viewpoint we can actually see once we get up there.
There's no view, huh, for the moment. Oh, misty.
I don't think there's going to be any view at all.
So
We took a flight to one of the nearer place. Then we took a van. or
yes.
Car.
Yeah.
For 5 hours ride to,
Yeah.
to Kathmandu.
So you have to pay for your own helicopter, right? I mean,
No, we didn't pay for it.
for the ticket wheel, right? Oh, okay. Right. So this helicopter is safer in that kind of condition, is it? Faster?
Faster, but it won't take you to Kathmandu, man. Just down below the city.
And then what next? The bus? Or...
The bus to Kathmandu. Bus or any vehicle.
Right.
Because for me, when I went to ABC, Annapurna Base Camp, that was like more better than EBC, you know?
But people saying that view
Yeah?
ABC is better than
Yes, way better.
Yeah, I want to go there.
And it's like, for you, it's 7 days.
As you can see, the weather was not as we expected, but you know, it was much easier for us to hike under this weather condition. But if you guys are planning to hike here, definitely recommend to check the weather forecast ahead of time, so you can have a great photo up here.
Alright guys, we're half the way. So you can see, I think we were about 500 meters. Pino and Phoebe already went up, just taking some scenery from the top over here at this beautiful place. First proper viewpoint. Yeah, exactly the same, you know. Dude, man, I was looking for you. Should take a few minutes. Okay, so this is the sunset peak viewpoint number 1. Okay, so you will see all these islands from here. Look at how beautiful it is. Okay, in reality, so basically you can't see it. This to this. We wanted to see this. Oh, this is the view. Just awesome. That's the most popular clip that a lot of people take photos.
Yeah, man.
Again, we can't see shit. Can't see shit. All the hard work we have done.
Shit, man. Sit.
There's a
view, man.
Baby,
This is a green.
I think this is the one that I've.
If you wanna hang,
Yeah, we definitely need to hang from here.
You hang there, you also can't see anything.
Yeah, exactly. But if you gotta come up and just. Alright, give it a hand for her.
can you?
Oh wow. So we were. I can't even see him anymore. I can't even see him from here. That's the popular spot. But I don't think we're gonna wait for. We can't wait for it, so we're gonna start heading out. So we gave up on that the photo section area. So we're heading out. I don't know if this is the right path, so but we're gonna follow his node, you know, since he said that's the way.
So we nearly reaching to the highest point, and it was getting much foggier. We can't even see each other in a distance, but took some wrong turns here and there, but managed to find the right path. Spoke with other hikers, which they were also having some difficulties. Yeah, but at the end we managed to find a right way to go to the top.
I think they should do a ticketing system here.
Then you need to queue up.
This is just like walking into a dreamland. Dozens of stone houses are built among the silver grass across the top of the Sunset Peak at Lantau Island. These stone houses have more than 90 years of history, but even local Hong Kong people cannot tell the stories behind them. Did a little bit of research. It is said that houses were built by British missionaries for camping purpose, and they enjoy the Sunset Peak, this area, and after that they started to build the infrastructure and the buildings and everything. So nowadays these stone houses on the Sunset Peak are locked, people cannot get in, but sometimes people camp here at night. So next time when you guys are here, try to count the houses, how many houses are here on the top.
Okay.
Yeah, bro, take a picture here.
Go, go.
That's a nice background, yeah.
Like,
Nice
this is the
background.
best
Beauty not sound.
Yeah.
stone.
Yes.
So yeah, this will be the end of the hike, guys. So you can choose several ways to get back to Tung. The one would be easiest would be go back to the same route where we came from Pak Kung Au, then take a bus to Tung. Or at the end of the trail, there's a path either you can go back to Tung or Mui O, but that's a different route. We chose to Mui O because we were meeting our friend in Mui O there. And yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please like, please hit the bell button, subscribe, and comments if you have any questions. Thank you very much for watching. Until then, bye.